Oh, sorry, I don't like the photos.
That's exactly the worst nightmare for a professional photographer. In this video, I'm gonna talk about 3 techniques that I personally use on my photo shoots to avoid this kind of situations with your client. Me and beautiful Michaela here are been working around like 3 years now. Are you happy with my service?
Of course, so much happy.
Or we won't spend 3 years working together, of course. So the first thing, when someone talks with me to do a photo shoot, I send them a questionnaire that I actually gonna do now with Michaela, just a freshen up questionnaire perhaps, and let's see her answers. This questionnaire I send to self-love type of photo shoot, okay? Light, dark, or contrast. Not the first one that goes into your mind, but what you feel, what you think represents you better.
Contrasts, I guess.
Contrast, yes. And a bit light as well. Sweet or mysterious?
Mysterious.
Probably a little bit of both. Provocative or elegant?
Elegant.
Definitely elegant. And this kicks off a conversation, and if the client is not sure what they want, they will be sure of what they want, okay? And a good strategy after this small questionnaire is share posts for pictures that you did before, lists on Pinterest.
Yes.
Miguel sends me a bunch of pictures on Pinterest every single time that we're gonna do a photo shoot. That is the first step that will help you a lot. Another thing that I do actually is use not threading, because I work in a location a lot of times, but I use a tablet that will display in real time the photos that we are doing. So I have the feedback of Michaela to show the pictures. Michaela loves it.
Yes, of course. My passion.
As a client, she wants perfection, and she actually can give me the feedback what she wants directly on the tablet. Now, the photos are not edited and etc., but at least the poses, the framing, how it's going, maybe the camera is too low, maybe the camera is too high, and you can please the client as much as possible, like using a tablet, okay? You can use a phone, wherever. I use the Canon app that connects directly to the Canon. And the last thing?
I select the photos that I want. Yes.
That will shock a lot of photographers, but actually I found that it's really easy that the client select the photos to be edited.
Não é normal ser assim?
No. And to do that, I use Lightroom Cloud, and it's amazing. And that video tutorial using that is over there. Thank you very much, Michaela, for this.
You're welcome, my friends.